So apparently my threat level system isn't really working like I hoped it would, and that's not too good, you know. Kind of hoping people would think it's like, you know, revolutionary and everything, but people think I'm stealing from some TV show from early 2000 or whatever. I don't know what they're saying. Pretty sure I imagined that too. I think I might be going crazy. Anyways, as you can probably see from here, as you can see, it is still pretty rainy outside. Not too rainy. Actually, it does look really rainy over by the road, but right here, it looks not too rainy. That's seems classified enough. Let's just say it's not too rainy outside. So I'm going to lower the threat level from elevated to low, which is represented by a lime green color. That's about all the important extreme hurricane-related things right now. But in case the power goes out, I have devised a amazing strategy for combating boredom. My solution: portable DVD player, Season 2 of The Office. That's 6 hours without boredom. Take that, Joe. Love to see what you're going to do without your power, or whatever. Probably some stupid cooking show. You weird person. I don't know what I'm saying anymore. Stop laughing at my jokes. I have no idea how to play this game.